In between them. Don't include the ridges.
10 inches.
Nice butt, honey. 10 inches?
10 inches.
Okay. Tell them what you're making.
It's a trash can to cook big chunks of meat in. A lot of
Okay,
it.
so show us how it works.
Show you how it works.
Where's the bars and everything?
It's over there.
Well, take that rock. Why is the rock on there?
To try to get it to flatten out.
Oh, yeah, I did see it kind of was warped from the fire.
Bars are right. You put lump mesquite down inside, burn it.
Lumped mesquite? What is lumped mesquite?
Mesquite lump.
What is mesquite lump? Oh, a big chunk of mesquite. Okay.
You hook the meat.
You hook
You
the
just
meat.
hang. Put the lid back on. Over the top. 45 minutes later, it's done.
45 minutes later, your meat's done.
The meat's done.
So how many chunks of meat can you cook on this contraption?
Maximum probably 11 big tri-tips.
A max of 11?
Yeah.
Interesting. All right.
These have to go in the dishwasher.
Okay.
I gotta make the other set.
All right. So between the two, that's 22 tri-tips that can be cooked at once. Guess we might have to have a big barbecue.
This is for Kelly's
Nope.
party.
Oh, yeah, we're taking these trash cans to our daughter's baby shower.
BBQ.
BBQ. It's going to be a co-ed barbecue. So
This is stove black.
this is stove black, so it'll
High heat.
withstand the high heats of the barrel
Rust.
and won't rust. All right. We customized it. We have a little bit of paint drying from a little bit of overspray we did. And then you can see a little bit of adhesive. I'm not sure if it was just because the barrel was too hot or what, but how cool is that? So, we have the bricks weighing this down a little bit because the tops, when we burned the paint off of the barrels, they warped just a tiny bit, so we're just putting the weight on top of them, and they'll be ready to cook some amazing tri-tip and whatever meat we decide to throw in there, cruising the Sierra Farm.